Hi guys, welcome to my channel Be of Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'll be reviewing a product for you guys. So the product is the newly launched Garnier Skin Naturals Vitamin C Serum. I'm going to give a full review and demo of this particular product. Do check out the complete video. Garnier has recently launched the vitamin C serum and I was so excited to try it. So Garnier company or Garnier brand is mainly into skincare, and that too the facial skincare. I ordered it from Amazon. So this particular product is not available on Nykaa or any other website. So it's only available on Amazon. I'm going to link the product in my description below, so do check it out. Lately I had a lot of pimples and I have a very bad habit to pop it, guys. Like, I know this is a really bad habit, but I can't resist popping my pimples. So yes, and as a result there is always some other spot on my skin. So I wanted to give this particular product a try. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. So it says Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete Speed Vitamin C 30x Booster Serum. So this particular serum has a lot of claims, so I'll tell you one by one. First of all, it claims that it has lemon plus 30x vitamin C ingredients, and the lemon it has a Japanese yuzu lemon, which is really good. It helps to lighten your skin and lighten the dark spots which are there on the skin. It says brighter, visibly clearer skin in 3 days. On first use, skin is smoother, brighter and looks more translucent. In 3 days, skin looks visibly fairer with 85% reduced darkening. So it has all the ingredients mentioned here, as you all can see, and this particular product is imported from Thailand, so you will find a lot of Thai scripts in here. Let's talk about the packaging. It is a normal packaging having all the details, direction of usage and everything. So let's go inside. So this is how the product looks like, guys. It's a semi-transparent glass bottle. Only the name of the product is written and the expiry date. So the product, you can use this product for 3 long years. I really like the products having a good amount of time before it gets expired. So because I sometimes keep my products here and there, and then all of a sudden when I get it and it's expired, so I feel really sad. It has a dropper applicator, so really easy to use. Yeah, and the serum consistency is watery, which is expected. The product is dermatologically tested and it's been tested on 50 Asian women, and in 4 weeks they did find a difference. So let's talk about the price, guys. This particular product is priced at 449 for 30 ml of product, which is, I think, good. Even though it's a newly launched product, guys, Amazon is giving you a 15% discount. So I bought this product at 361 rupees, which is fab for a serum. 30 ml of serum for 361. It's really inexpensive and I really like it. It's quite affordable. So you can definitely try it out. So let's talk about the effectiveness, guys. I've been using this particular serum from last 7 days and I use it during the night. I cleanse my face with a face wash and then I take few drops of the serum and I nicely in circular motion apply it. The serum absorbs like a dream, guys. It absorbs really quickly and it gives you a very nice subtle glow, which I really like. And I did not find any difference by the end of the 3rd day or 3rd night, but yes, after 4 to 5 times I've applied this, I actually find a little bit of difference, and I'm going to continue using this particular serum for next 3 weeks. So I'm going to post a complete review on my Instagram account. So people who are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. So I've really nicely cleansed my face with a face wash. So I'll be applying the serum. I'll take some product, maybe 4 to 5 drops, and I'll directly drop it on my face. Yeah, I think that's it. So as you all can see, it's watery. So that's it, guys. It's completely absorbed now, and so there is a subtle glow. that's it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. And till then, take care. Bye. This particular product is it's dermatologically tested.